Welcome to a journey across two of Earth's most unique and isolated sanctuaries. Our exploration begins high above the ocean, on remote islands that function as natural fortresses, where species have evolved in splendid isolation for millennia. From there, we descend into the dense, vibrant heart of the jungle, a sanctuary of a different kind, a bustling, interconnected metropolis of life, where countless species depend on one another for survival. Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. Tigers are solitary animals, meaning they like to live and hunt alone. A tiger's roar can be heard from up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles. Tigers have orange coats with black stripes. Pumas have many names. They are also called cougars, mountain lions, panthers, and catamounts. Pumas can run up to 50 miles, 80 kilometers per hour for short bursts. Pumas mainly eat deer, but will also hunt smaller animals like rabbits or raccoons. Leopards are found across Africa and parts of Asia, from rainforests and mountains to savannas and deserts. Leopards' pattern of rosettes, spots shaped like roses, is unique, just like a human fingerprint, marking territories with scent and scratch marks. Roosters are known for their distinctive crowing, which usually happens at dawn but can occur any time of day. Roosters are very protective of their flock and will fight predators or other roosters to defend their hens. Roosters play an important role in farm ecosystems, helping to protect and organize the flock. Chickens have a sophisticated repertoire of over 30 distinct vocalizations. They have different calls for aerial predators, like a hawk, versus ground predators. Chickens are the closest living relatives of the Tyrannosaurus rex. Genetic studies have confirmed this link, making them modern-day dinosaurs. Bears live in forests, mountains, tundras, and even icy Arctic regions. Bears are mammals and belong to the family Ursidae. Bears have strong bodies, thick fur, and powerful claws for digging and climbing. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Bears are omnivores. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength, and aggression. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Bulls have thick necks and powerful shoulders. Goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called bovidae. Goats are raised for milk, meat, wool, and companionship. Rectangular pupils. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family. which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell. Geese belong to the Anatidae family, which also includes ducks and swans. Most geese are medium to large waterfowl with long necks and webbed feet. Geese are mostly herbivores, eating grass, grains, roots, and aquatic plants. Wild geese can live up to 15 to 25 years and sometimes longer in captivity. Hippos spend about 16 hours a day submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. Hippos secrete a reddish, oily substance from their skin. This blood sweat acts as a potent moisturizer, antiseptic, and sunblock. Hyenas are often thought of as scavengers, but they're actually skilled hunters too. In fact, spotted hyenas hunt up to 70 to 80% of their food themselves. Hyenas have one of the strongest bite forces of any mammal, strong enough to crush bones. Hyenas are highly intelligent. Cows are mammals, which means they give birth to live babies and produce milk to feed them. Cows are one of the main sources of milk, butter, cheese, yogurt, and cream. A healthy dairy cow can produce over 25 liters, 6 gallons of milk per day. Donkeys are known for their strength and endurance. They can carry heavy loads and travel long distances, even in hot and dry deserts. Donkeys have large ears that can hear sounds up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles away in the desert. Alligators play a vital role in their ecosystem. Their gator holes, which they dig and maintain during dry periods, alligators are long-lived creatures. In the wild, they can live 35 to 50 years, and in captivity, they have been known to live 65 to 80 years or more. Wildebeests are large antelopes found mostly in the grasslands and savannas of Africa, especially in Tanzania and Kenya. Wildebeests are herbivores. They eat mostly grass and sometimes leaves. Wildebeests can run fast, reaching speeds up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, to escape danger. Male wildebeests are called Sheep are domesticated mammals that have been raised by humans for thousands of years. Sheep belong to the same family as goats, called Bovidae. A sheep's body is covered in thick wool, which keeps them warm in cold weather. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family, Canidae. Wolves have 42 teeth built for tearing meat and crushing bone. Wolves can run at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, when chasing prey. Cheetahs mainly hunt gazelles, impalas, koalas, hares, and other small animals. They rely on speed and strategy, stalking prey before sprinting to catch it. Cheetahs live in Africa, mostly in open plains and savannas, and small populations exist in Iran. Cats are born hunters with sharp claws, quick reflexes, and excellent night vision. Even well-fed pet cats still love to chase toys, bugs, or shadows. It's in their nature. Cats can see in light 6 times dimmer than humans can. Their eyes have a special layer called the tapetum lucidum. Moose thrive in cold climates thanks to a thick, insulating coat. They are so well adapted that scientists have found they don't even begin to feel the cold until temperatures drop far below zero. Moose often feed on aquatic plants. They can close their nostrils, which acts like a valve to keep water out. Horses have lived on Earth for over 50 million years. Horses belong to the Equidae family, along with zebras and donkeys. Horses usually live for 25 to 30 years, but some live even longer. Horses can see almost 360 degrees around them, but they have 2 blind spots, right in front of their nose. Rabbits belong to a special group called lagomorphs, not rodents. They're closely related to hares and pikas, not mice or rats. Rabbits can run up to 55 kilometers per hour, 35 miles per hour, and jump over 1 meter. They use quick hops and sharp turns to escape predators. Pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo. It makes up about 99% of their diet. They can eat for up to 14 hours a day, munching on bamboo leaves, shoots, and stems. Pandas belong to the bear family, Ursidae. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength, and aggression. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Zebras belong to the horse family, Equidae. They're close relatives of horses and donkeys. Zebras can run up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, to escape predators. Zebras eat mostly grass but also leaves, herbs, and bark when grass is scarce. Zebras live in groups called herds or harems. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell, about 100,000 times stronger than humans. Dogs can see better than humans in the dark because of a special layer in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum. Rams are noticeably more muscular and stockier than ewes, with a thicker neck and a heavier bone structure, all adaptations for fighting. Ram is an adult male sheep, typically at least 1 year old. The female is called a ewe, and a young sheep is a lamb. Rams become more aggressive and active during the breeding season, known as the rut, which typically occurs in the fall. In the island sanctuaries, we discover nature's grand experiments. We will meet creatures found nowhere else on Earth, like the charismatic lemurs of Madagascar and the majestic Komodo dragons of Indonesia. These animals have adapted in remarkable ways to their confined worlds, often growing to giant sizes or developing dwarf forms.